Okay, colleague, let's talk about function modeling and let's do some exercise about function modeling. I know you educated guy, you obtained previous education in function modeling area, but function modeling it is artificial language, and if you don't use this language often, you will obligatory forget about rules from this language. Let me explain for you several approach how we can clarify problem of building of function modeling for you, and after this we will do a very fast exercise about using of our approach, how we can more accuracy, more fast, more exactly build a function modeling. Function modeling was invented in 1915 years in company General Electric. This company began think about economy of material resources, economy of substance, economy of energy for decrease cost of products. And according to this situation was invented special language. This language we define as parametrical language. What does mean parametrical language? Let me show for you some psychologist experiment. It is famous experiment by Mr. Isaac, and in this experiment you can see four objects. Yeah? You can see tomato, carrot, potato, and apples. Yeah? Every guy see. Okay, there is some interesting question. I will ask you, remove one or two elements from this set and explain why you can remove this element. Please try remove.
If you stand there, these people cannot see.
Yeah.
So, Isaac?
Mr. Isaac.
Isaac.
Maybe you know
psychologist?
Psychologist. IQ.
IQ.
Author of IQ.
지능지수 IQ를 발명한 사람인데 심리학자
IQ.
아이잭이라는 사람이 있어요. 그분이
How much smart people?
원래 이제 기능 분석 이런 것들은 GE에서 원가 절감을 위해서 막 트리밍 기능 분석에서 트리밍하고 뭐 이런 것들이 발전해서 받아들인 건데 트리즈에서도 이렇게 받아들여서 활용하는 건데 파라메타적인 언어입니다. 파라메타적인 언어입니다. 그래서 내가 공기를 움직인다. 팬이 공기를 움직인다. 그러면 공기의 속도를 뭐 올린다라든가 공기의 위치를 뭐 이렇게 바꾼다라든가 어떤 속성을 가지고 이야기를 하는 건데 이게 익숙하지 않은 언어다 보니까 좀 훈련과 숙달이 좀 필요합니다. 자, 네 가지의 과일인지 야채인지를 보여주시는데 이 중에 only one or two?
You can remove one, but you can remove two if you explain me your reasoning.
이 중에 하나를 왕따를 시키는 겁니다.
You can remove carrot.
이런 점이 얘는 다르기 때문에 ABCD 중에서
Absolutely correct answer. You extract important information about parameter shape. Yeah, it is spheroidalic, and it is conic.
다
Okay.
동그란데 한 놈만 길쭉하다.
What else?
모양이라는 파라메타로 구분을 했고 두 그룹으로 나누는데 하나 내지 두 개가 한쪽 그룹이 있어요.
Apple. Why? Absolutely correct. You define important parameter fruit or vegetable, right? Because vegetable, fruit. Okay, removed fruit. What else? What else?
또 뭐가 있나요?
I can calculate time, and via calculation of time, I can calculate IQ.
IQ가 지금 떨어지고 있습니다. 여러분 IQ를 평가하고 있는.
Really, please try.
Vitamin C.
Huh?
Potato.
You? Huh?
원 F 그 사과만 나무에서 나는
Apple, only apple is from tree. right?
From tree.
그게 나무와
Oh yes. On label located in tree. Yeah. Okay. Agree. Okay. What else?
매년 다
What else?
Maybe some potato is.
Potato.
채소와 과일.
You can remove potato.
Others is the vitamin C or.
Vitamin C located here, and here.
Tomato.
Huh? Potato.
Color of red.
Color.
Red apple.
No, potato you can remove if apple will be red. But anyway, color can be important parameter also. Yeah. Okay. What else? Let's return in previous set. Yeah. What else?
Tomato.
Tomato. Why?
Others is very 단단하다.
Hard. Level of hard. Absolutely correct answer. Tomato it is soft. Hard, soft. Absolutely correct answer. Yes. What else? There is an answer.
여러 가지 파라미터를 찾아내는 훈련.
Carrot and potato is root, but tomato and
Carrot and potato
is root.
Removed. Why?
Because there is the root. But tomato and apple is the fruit.
Okay, because carrot and potato located under the
Yeah.
surface of yes, location regarding to surface of yours,
Or
right?
Yeah, right.
What else?
Potato.
Potato. Why?
Only potato can be a seed.
Can be what?
seed.
Seed by seed themselves.
Seed.
If we cut potato any part,
Uh-huh.
it can grow from it.
사과도 씨.
씨가
But
별개.
the other
Ah,
parts only there is special part.
No, okay, this
잠깐만,
object have not edible part. Yeah, this object have not edible part. Yeah, not edible. This object don't have not edible. Well, frankly speaking, potato. If you do boiled potato, you can eat potato with covers also, if it is young potato, right?
He means that if we cut potato
Yeah.
and bury underground,
Uh-huh.
it will grow. So it is seed itself.
Frankly speaking, if you cut apple and put apple in under the surface of yours, you will obtain plants also.
No, only if the seed is included.
Only
Seed.
seed, no heat. Here we have seed also. But correct answer, because here we have seed also. If you put it in
No, in potato, maybe seed is located in surface or
in surface.
Location of seed is
Potato.
Location of seed.
당근은
Potato.
Just a moment. Location of seed. Okay, here located inside,
Inside.
here located inside, yeah. Here located outside, here don't have. Okay, we can remove this and this according to parameter. According to parameter location of seed. Okay. Yeah. Agree. Continue, please. I interrupt you.
I know.
I think potato.
Potato. Okay.
Because
Why?
there is no potato juice, but other.
Okay, because every object we can eat immediately. Yeah, but potato we must cook. Yeah, we must boil it.
No
Except
juice.
that their IQ is high enough.
Okay. No, okay. Colleague, it was illustration. Thank you. We defined, by the way, during our discuss 7 important parameters. And when we go to parametrical language, parametrical language have important creative side for you. And it is a reason why we build function modeling, because function modeling can help for you go to parametrical language. We are engineers and we can modify only parameters. And we must think only about parameters. And it is main value from function modeling. And many people many people forgot about parametrical language and insert in function model strange verbs. These verbs not correspond with parameters. I strongly not recommend this way, because main value of function model, you do description of process, physical process. Every physical or chemistry process or IT process obligatory correspond with changing of some parameters. Your target of your project, modify your technical system and increase some parameter, decrease other parameter, and create new combination of parameters. It is main value of, no, maybe not main value, but important side of function language, because function language, it is parametrical language. Next important part about function modeling. In professional area, we use special helper for build correct function models. And I can prepare for you very strange question. What do you think? You know what is mean function? Yeah? Function, it is three objects. One object, verb, and other object. Yeah? Well, for example, bottle hold of water. Yeah? What to do bottle hold of water. What to do scotch? Yeah? Scotch hold of paper. Scotch hold paper. Three objects. And in middle part, obligatory located verbs. But I can prepare for you strange question. Colleague, what do you think? How much function you can found in environment? 1,000? 500? 200? What's your opinion about it? $1 billion maybe? What are you feeling, colleague? 몰라요. Yeah? We don't know. Colleague, for application in function modeling, there is only about 100 useful verbs. Only 100 useful verbs. Approximately 7 years ago, one specialist in function modeling, the name of this specialist, Igor Fedosov, Tris Master Igor Fedosov, prepare inspection of reports during 10 years. And Yuri Fedosov begin extract every verbs from every function models. And it was totally more 55 function models. Result was very strange. For build function model, enough use only 100 verbs. Only 100 verbs, absolutely enough. Absolutely enough for build correct function models.
How many?
100, approximately 100 verbs.
Okay, I will explain. 예를 들어서 기능 분석할 때 이렇게 쓰죠. SAO라 그러죠. Subject, Object, Action, Object. 세 단어로 이루어지고 불이 물을 가열한다. 라면 끓일 때 예를 들어서. 근데 이거를 Fire increase temperature of water 이렇게 쓸 수도 있습니다. 그죠? 물의 어떤 속성을 증가시킨다, 감소시킨다 이런 식으로. 때로는 이게 유효한 거 아닌가? 어떤 동사를 썼는데 어떤 건 기능이라 그러고 어떤 건 기능 아니라 그러고 있잖아요. 내가 저 통로를 지나갔다. 내가 통로를 지나갔어요. 기능인가요? I passed the corridor. 또는 뭐 있어야 되는지 모르겠지만 기능 맞나요? 유효한가요? 유효하지 않나요? 때로는 그게 유효할지도 모르겠지만 일반적으로 그 표준에서는 기능이 아니라고 합니다. 왜 그걸 체크하려면 내가 복도에 어떤 속성을 바꿨느냐. I wait for bus. 버스를 기다렸다. 내가 버스에 어떤 속성을 바꿨느냐. 아무 짓도 안 했거든요. 복도 뭐 내가 발로 밟아서 좀 납작하게 했을지 몰라도 전혀 큰 중요하지 않은 그런 변화고 버스한테도 아무 영향을 안 줬다고 치면 뭐의 속성을 바꾼 게 아니기 때문에 유용한 기능이 아닌 거죠. 어쨌거나 기능 분석에는 이런 파라메타적인 용어, 언어 사용하는 데 익숙해지는 게 필요하다. 근데 이 기능은 이런 다시 이제 동사로 돌아가면 이 기능은 몇 가지가 있는가 하면 지구상에 있는 모든 문제 트리즈 과제를 뭐 100개, 1000개, 10,000개를 한다고 쳤을 때 거기에 등장하는 기능의 개수가 몇 개가 될까 무수히 많을 거라고 생각을 하지만 요리 페더소프라는 분하고 몇 분이 이렇게 같이 연구를 했을 때 100개, 뭐 수십 개 정도면 웬만한 과정 약간 일반화된 기능이죠. 그거면 충분하다, 문제 해결하는데 충분하다는 걸 발견을 했습니다.
Okay, let's continue. And after this was created very interesting question. Okay, we have set from approximately 100 verbs, useful verbs for function models. And we begin think. Okay, our discipline looks like as a philosophical approach, dialectic by Mr. Hegel. I mentioned about it. Yeah. Hegel. It is Germany. Hegel, Friedrich Hegel. Friedrich Hegel. And you know, existing three laws. One law, it is our contradiction, yeah, physical contradiction. Unit of two opposite requirements. Plus and minus together. Plus and minus together. It is law number one. Next law, transition from quantitative to quality. Yeah? Transition from quantitative to quality. What this means? Quantitative quality. Quantitative quality. And I think you remember S-curve model. Yeah? Transition from quantitative to quality. What does it mean? If I'll smoke, let's imagine a situation. I'm not smoker. Yeah? But I smoke only one time. Can I become smoker? No. But I'm smoke after 1 hour again. I'm not smoker. Can I become smoker? Maybe no. I can smoke again after 1 hour. Can I become to be smoker? Maybe no. But if I will continue it 3-5 days, after 5 days I will be immediately change my position. I became smoker. Yeah? And it is meaning from quantitative to quality. Yeah? And it looks like similar as non-linear development of technical system and parameters of technical system. But there is law number 3. Law number 3 have name twin reject. Twin reject. Object A. After this, we will create object B, and object B say no to object A. Yeah? And after this, we follow to evolution, and after this, we must say no. We must say no to time. Reject E. Yeah? We must to time neglect object E. What does it mean in our situation? You see bottle with water. What main function of bottle? Hold water. Yeah. Okay. Our discipline looks like opposite way. What can be opposite regarding to hold? Neglect. Please say, think. Not hold. What does it mean not hold? In verb area.
병은 물을
Hold,
고정하는
not
거.
hold.
병은 물을 고정하는 장치죠. 물의 위치를 고정시키는 장치.
What can be not
안정하는
hold?
거죠.
Not hold.
위치를 고정하는 게
Bottle,
아니면
not hold. Yeah? What kind of verb you can use here? Huh?
I.
Move. Yeah. What can be opposite for hold? Not hold. Not hold means move. Yeah.
정지해 있는 걸 움직이게 하는 거. move.
Move.
이동시키는 거죠.
And in this set of verbs, you can extract important couple of verbs. Hold. After this, not hold means not hold means move. Okay, we obtain first couple. Hold and move, two opposite directions. Please.
어떤 동사들이 사용하느냐를 보는데 해겔의 변증법을 이용해서 반대되는 쌍을 찾습니다. 고정시키는 거, 반대 움직이게 하는 거. 또 어떤 쌍이 필요할까요?
Please try apply law number 3, twin negotiation. Next verb must to be reject hold and must to be reject move. Not hold, not move. But it is looks like as move but not move. Move, hold but not hold. I'll help you. And if you will apply this reasoning, you will obtain move with different trajectories. Yeah? And it can be reflect or deflect. Reflect, deflect. Reflect, deflect. Reflect or deflect.
방향을 변화시키는 거. 또 있습니다.
Next, when I use soft pen and when I draw some picture, how we can define function here? Well, we can define function add substance to surface of disk, right? Add. Next important, add. Please try think about reject, add. Not add. What can be opposite? I add. What can be opposite? Removed. Absolutely correct. Thank you. Removed. Okay. Remove.
투명하다, 제거하다 또 있습니다.
And by the way, it is dramatical operation with in process, because in previous we say only in our reasoning located only in space area. Yeah, hold, move, reflect, deflect. But here we talk about dramatical changing of object. We add some substance, we removed some substance. Yeah? And what can be add and removed to two-time neglect? It can be transformed. Because I can broken it, yeah? And it will be transformed of object to small piece. I can do melting, yeah? And it will be transformed of object also. And next important verb, it is transform. So, we obtain 6 important verbs. And right now you have in your tables sheet list with these verbs. It is 6 important verbs for function-oriented search. And in every case, you can see these 6 important verbs. 6 important verbs. These verbs was extracted from list of 100 functions from real correct function models. And other verbs was only synonyms for these selected verbs. And last recommendation, when you try build function model, you can define root function and you can see in list of synonyms. And it can help for you build absolutely correct function models. It is easy secret from professional area. Tomorrow I'll show for you structure for training in function-oriented search, because every verb can have operation with only three categories of object. It can be operation with substance, it can be operation with field, it can be operation with information. And if we will talk about root general function in high level of abstract level, there is only 18 calculate 6 verbs, 3 objects, only 18 root functions. 18 root function, it is not infinitely amount of function. And according to this approach, was created special electronic database for help during execution project via function-oriented search.
그 이후에 who was the author of this?
Huh?
Who was the author?
Author, no, most of all it is me, and I had helper Alex Kinin, Alex Privin, and Oleg Khomякov. It is professional
박사님하고 이제
specialist.
몇몇 프리즈 전문가들
Simon was helper also. Simon was editor.
그래서 유리 페더소프가 뭐 50 몇 개인가 그 기능을 찾았잖아요. 유니버설하게 쓸 수 있는 그걸 더 단순화시켜서 3 곱하기 6 18개의 기능만으로 이제 아주 일반화된 기능을 선택을 했습니다. 기능은 동사 플러스 목적으로 이루어지는데 동사는 요 6개면 된다. 명사는 이 3개면 된다. 명사는 대상은 물질, 장, 정보, substance, field, information 3가지고요. 동사는 6개인데 요 색깔이 같은 게 서로 어느 정도 반대되는 뜻을 가지고 있습니다. 요거 2개는 약간 좀 그렇고 나머지는 반대되는 뜻을 가지고 있습니다. 물질을 추가한다, 제거한다. 장을 추가한다, 제거한다. 정보를 추가한다, 제거한다. 또는 물질을 이동시킨다, 물질을 고정시킨다. 반대죠. 정보를 이동시킨다, 정보를 고정시킨다. 에너지를 이동시킨다, 에너지를 고정한다. 저장한다. 또는 뭐 고정한다. 또는 방향을 바꾸는 거. 는 특별히 리플렉트 또는 디플렉트로 또는 반사시킨다. 이것도 마찬가지고요. 트랜스폼은 그 나머지 복잡한 변화들은 대부분 트랜스폼으로 이렇게 취급을 합니다.
Reflect. What does it mean? Reflect. I have umbrella or I have hub and sun radiation. Reflect. Okay, let's do easy experiment. You have list of verbs, and right now I'll show for you set of examples. And after this, I will ask colleague what was similar from every example. How you can define function according to this classification system. Okay?
지금 몇 가지 사례를 보여드릴 테니까
Example number 1.
이것의 주기능이 어떤 건지 찾아보십시오.
Example number 2. You know what is it, yeah? No. Are you? What is it? Example number 3. I think you know what is mean.
지갑인가요?
System for hold.
지갑 같은 거고요. 주머니 같은 거고.
Example number 5.
단추고요.
Button.
자, 지금 보여드리는 제품들의 다 같은 기능을 가지고 있다고 할 수도 있습니다. 같은 종류의 기능을.
Example number
16개 기능
6.
중에 뭘까요?
Example number 6.
18개 기능. Hold substance.
Hold substance. Absolutely correct.
물질을 고정하는 겁니다. 병에
By the way,
담고
after this you can recognize magchem because it is magnet. Yeah.
자석으로도 종이를 고정하기도 하죠. 이걸 하면 나중에 FOS 같은 거 할 때 되게
Don't have metal surface.
기능 분석을 할 때도
Recognize
약간
this
일반화된
object,
이런
yeah.
동사를 써서
Yeah. Bolt. Recognize this object, clips.
쉽게
Hold. Every object it is hold of substance, right? Okay, not difficult example. Again, I think you know it, what is it? It is system for lack of some back. Okay, and you see absolutely different design but similar function. And it is main approach, main value of function-oriented search, because main target of function-oriented search show for you useful prototype from other industries with similar function. Similar function, but different principle of operation, different design. Okay, next set of example. Okay, I'll show for you object one.
책이고요.
Book. Oh, I use small size because necessary think about weight. Next, I use audio cassette.
테이프입니다.
I use video cassette. Yeah? Huh? Absolutely correct answer. But I show not full set of examples. And you can see. You can see. It is phone card, right? You know phone card, you buy phone card, you removed ink, you obtain password. What to do phone card? And after this you can call to other countries. What to do phone card? Hold of information about money. What to do coin. What to do
전화카드도
What
카드
to do
번호,
money.
고객번호가 얼마인지
hold information about value, about cost.
그걸 저장하고요.
Next, you can see this object.
얼굴. 음악이 나오죠.
Hold information about music. Absolutely similar function as magnet cassette. Hold information about music. Hold sound, memory sound. Recognize Macheme method, yeah? Mechanical approach, magnetic approach. And you can continue this set when you will think about function-oriented search, and you can think, can I hold sound we are using of light, magnet and electrical? Oh yes, of course. I can use laser. I can use DVD, CD, DVD disc. Yeah? Or can I use electrical field? Oh yes, of course. Electrical field, it is memory from computer, using of electrical field. But there is memory with using of magnet fields also. Okay, not so much difficult, but application this approach for function-oriented search dramatically can accelerate process of execution. But in practical area, this list of function can help for you only more easy and more correctly select verbs from this set of verbs. You define main function, you select some synonyms, more suitable synonyms for you, because every synonyms correspond with some parameters. Main target of function analysis: prepare picture about function process and obligatory insert every important information about harmful function, because only list of harmful function can help for you correct direction for improve your technical system, for modify your technical system. There is only one way for create invention. You define disadvantage, but disadvantage can be correspond with harmful function. Disadvantage can be correspond with excessive useful function. Disadvantage can be correspond with insufficient useful function. And when you killed disadvantage, you will obtain new solution. and main value of function modeling, you keep and fixed full information about useful useful and harmful functions in your process, in your technical systems. Okay, right now let's do exercise.
기능 분석의 목적은 그 시스템 그 주변까지 포함을 해서 어떤 유효한 기능들이 있고 어떤 해로운 기능들이 있는지를 킵한다고 말씀하셨는데 기록하는 게 목적입니다.
I will spread for every students
근데 그 기록함에 있어서
two examples.
때로는 구체적으로
You will think 1 minute, and after 1 minute you will explain what kind you define main function of this object. And in every object, in some object you can define not only one function. In some object you can define two functions together. Not hesitate, not surprised. It is often situation because you remember a trend about increasing of ideality, you remember about multifunctionality for some object. Not surprised, you can define not only one function, you can define several functions for one object. Okay?
그래서 기능 분석을 할 때 때로는 뭐 빨대가 뭐 물을 빨아들인다라는 말 그대로 쓰셔도 되지만
One example, two examples.
때로는 약간 일반화해서 때로는 완전히 최고로 일반화해서 무브한다 빨대가 물을 옮긴다 그렇게만 표현하는 게 더 나을 때도 있습니다. OS 쪽으로 갈 때는. 근데 너무 또 추상화해 놓으면 이게 무슨 뭐 흡수하는 건지 뭐 하는 건지 알 수 없기 때문에 때로는
How you can define
일반용을
main
가깝게 써야
function of this
되는데
technical
보통은
system.
그렇게 그리지만
Next, it will be examples for you.
기능적인
1 and 2.
일반
And you will try to define
유효하다는
main
걸
functions. Next.
지금 받으신 물건의 기능을 어떤 기능, 저렇게 일반화된 기능, 루트 펑션 중에 어떤 걸로 쓸 수 있을지.
Okay, it will be examples for you.
Two examples are same or different.
Different.
두 개의 차를 받으셨으면 각각의 두 기능이 다르게 나올 수도 있습니다. 2.1이 될 수도 있고, 뭐 3.5가 될 수도 있고.
던지니까 이리 되구나.
뭐 하는 건지 모르시는 분 물어보세요.
찜질 되게 내야겠다.
부시는 건 뭐라고 해요? 때리다.
때리다.
머리 들어가서 때리다.
뜻이 맞죠? 봄이네. 일반화는.
Too much is example.
여기에 대한 공통점을 얘기하는 거.
각각의
두 가지 이상.
하나겠죠. 내 function 같은 이슈.
이건 뭘까요? 시간을 알려주기 이슈.
hold information.
홀드는 홀드.
홀드 인포메이션, 메인 펑션,
홀드에 홀드.
메인 슈퍼 메인 펑션. 아니 이제
뭐를 홀드하는데 이게.
이게 이제 혈이 사이즈를
어렵다. 이거 어렵다.
메인 인포메이션.
Okay, maybe let's do break, and after break we will hear your answers. Okay. Okay, stop camera. And after break we will.
쉬었다가